Strata is an aerostructure manufacturing company, which means we manufacture parts for the likes of Airbus, Boeing, Pilatus, and Leonardo. Let us show you the manufacturing process. We start by receiving the raw material. What we do with the raw materials is that we put them through a number of tests. Once these tests are performed, we move to the second stage, which is the core cutting. Some of the raw materials, especially the honeycombs, need to be machined. After that, we move to the heart of the operations, which is the clean room.
In clean room, the technician starts the production process by laying up the composite material and honeycomb inside the mold tool to shape the component. We then move the parts to the second stage, which is the autoclave.
Autoclave is an important stage of manufacturing process in Strata, that the components go through autoclave curing cycles with high temperature and pressure, transforming them to strong and lightweight parts. After that, we take the part to CNC stage.
CNC process is fully automated, where components undergo precise trimming and drilling under our expert supervision. Once completed, the parts are transferred to NDT.
The trimmed parts are then subjected to NDT, where we apply advanced inspection methods such as ultrasonic and X-ray testing. This ensures that every component meets the highest standards of safety and quality. Then these parts will be moved to the next stage, which is the assembly and the paint shop.
In paint shop, we are applying special coating like primer and top coat with our signature accuracy and attention to details. Then the parts move to final assembly.
This is the assembly business unit. What we are doing here, we are just attach the final material that we need to attach for the parts in order to complete all the touch-up and finalize the part for the next process, which is the source inspection.
At the end, we are proudly shipping this part from our facility to the worldwide with the slogan of Made in the UAE.